Heart One Katanawan team, grazie, salamat, thank you. Words with the same theme but coming from the heart. Sa loob ng 4 na taon na pamamahala bilang restaurant manager ng Katanawan, Quezon, naitaguyod namin na may kababaang loob, pagtalima at katatagan o resilience ang efficacy at ibang pillars ng aming business. The pandemic passed and the trials we went through, ngunit tanging katagang Heart One Katanawan sa food safety at iba pa ang lakas masasabi. Bilang ng mga moments ng alagang Jollibee dito sa Bundok Peninsula, aming di isinasantabi. Mga bisita'y aming pinahanga sa cleanliness and condition, sila'y tuwang-tuwa. Kaya, thank you very much from the heart. First to God, Soli Deo Gloria. To our families who fully understand our journey in the store. To our fellow kaalas, Ma'am Cheng Tairit, Ma'am Grace Lagos, and my brothers and sisters who are the restaurant managers of Heart Grade 2.8. And to the leaders who first developed, nurture and build Jollibee Katanawan. Thank you. Salamat nga ni Sir Raymer Erbencillo, Sir Darwin Sacristia, and syempre, ang aking idol at mentor, Sir Jose Marco Martinez, ang unang pong area manager. Sir Jobs, I love you, Sir Jobs. To my dear RMT, RMST, 3P, SG, from 2019 to present, Annie, Anthony, Ryan, Bell, Cha, Mara, Sky, Marlon, Pio, Memark, Lester, Les, James, Gemma, Rickson, Lysel, Daryl, and to the entire 3P crew and SG of our store. Thank you very much. Hashtag believe ako sa inyo. See you in 2024 as high-performing store. Hashtag Heart One Katanawan. Alas ako nandito. All in. Push natin to. God bless Team Luzon.